So I'm gonna take the oil pump off today, crossover tube, paint this hopefully, and then start on the intake manifold. Once I yank this off, I'm gonna start on the butterflies and we'll be good to go. Let's get started. All right, got all the front off, ready to take the upper end, or the intake off. Got everything loose. I'm sorry I'm not showing y'all, it's just I don't have enough space on this camera, so. Yeah, next thing is take this off and take the intake. Let's go. And there it is. Stinks, burnt black, looking nasty. It's almost off. All the electrical off too. Look at this. Look at this. Plain motor right here. I might send that off to get powder coated. I don't know just yet. Or I might just spray paint it for now. I don't know. We'll see. And there it is. Look at this. What a mess, huh? Now, debate. I'm thinking about doing the IMRC delete, or just taking out the butterflies and the rod. But yeah, that's either saving 280 bucks or $300, or just clean it and leave it. I don't know what to do on that. I'm gonna think about it, because people say that it drops your torque, it does this and that, but it also is good for supercharged application. You know what I'm saying? And that's what your boy's all about. So I need to get new tensioners. I can't find the ones that I bought a long time ago for it, but we're gonna get to it. So we're about there. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm done. I'm cleaning, and I'm gonna finish all this stuff up tomorrow. I'm cleaning the rest of it and figure out what I'm gonna do with paint wise. What we got going on today, I'm actually gonna flip this thing over hopefully.
Hold on. Don't mind the mess back here. That's all torn.
That's two different motors. That's Isaac's whole Termi motor up here, pretty much.
And down there.
That too, and a V6 motor somehow, some way. But I'm gonna take off the chains today to where I can get the oil pump out and off, replace it, flip it over, get the oil pump on, get the primary, secondary chains on, boom, boom, and then start throwing this thing back together. Still waiting on the valve covers, so it's not gonna be done by today. It's not nearly gonna be done by today. I'll probably knock out the oil pump and the timing chains today, and then next week I'll get started on all the cleaning of this stuff.
You told me you found the tensioners yet?
Oh yeah.
Where they at?
Found them. I was devastated yesterday because I was about to be spending another $300 on something that I've already had. And Trav went and looked after work for me today at the house, and they were in our little storage thing all the way in the back on shelves.
Storage thing.
Yeah, well, it's an extra room, but it's like storage. We just got shelves and stuff. But yeah.
It's a trash room.
It's not a trash room because all the good stuff goes in there. But nah, I found that today. It's a good thing. I'm excited about it because I don't have to spend $300 now, and also I can put them back on without worrying about them actually going out. So I'm gonna get that handled today, knock it out, get this all back together. That much closer to being back on the road. I can't wait to actually get these valve covers in. You know what I'm saying? Once I get these valve covers in, boy.
And the headers.
I mean, the headers, they right here. I'm not really tripping about them. And it's going to sound good. I need to find a mid-pipe.
So if y'all know a mid-pipe somewhere in the SoCal area, this man will travel. Even though if it's traveling, spending 40 bucks of gas, he will travel to save $40 of a used header.
True facts. True facts. I could have bought some pace setters or whatever they are. They're like $250 all metal.
Yeah, you don't want that.
They'd have rusted. Like,
you don't want that.
Not at all. Well, even though that's more money I gotta spend on a mid-pipe, I got to, so yeah. If you got a used one, I'll look for a used one. Shoot, ain't $250 online. I'm not trying to spend all that. I'm trying to budget this build right now.
Budget this build
right now. I'm about to make it.
It's
look
a
good.
4-valve. You already spent twice the money.
I did. I definitely did, because I didn't buy the head gaskets. That's like the only thing that I didn't buy. Everything else. This plenum gasket's 50 bucks by itself, just a little layer right here. Then these ones are 30 bucks, and then I gotta buy 2 sets because it's upper and lower. And then
the lower conversion kit's like 90 bucks, right? And with the oil pan and the
oil pan, and it might have been
the oil cooler. The oil cooler
housing.
It has a couple rings. It has a couple things on there, and then the head gasket kit, which luckily we didn't have to do. That's like 260 bucks.
Yeah, I would take this motor apart, but I mean, it doesn't make really any sense at all, because then I'm gonna spend an extra $2,000-$3,000 on just the internals, getting it balanced, getting it, you know,
that's $2,000-$3,000 of us doing our own work.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just trying to get it back on the road. I am gonna add a little bit of juice up in there, you know what I'm saying? So it'll be good. I'm just trying to get this car back on the road so I can start on another project, get all my little projects handled and situated, and then start on.
This is a daily. This is a daily right here.
It was, as you can tell, you know, all this nastiness.
It'll be a daily again.
Oh yeah, very soon, and it's gonna be a nice daily. I might get some tickets. I don't know. That's not planned at all. You know what I'm saying? I don't plan on it, but yeah. Get this cleaned up. I gotta find a spray bottle so I can get the degreaser on here, and then we'll be getting the cleaning and getting all this off.
We'll record the progress with y'all, and we'll be right back.
Well, this is a fail. So I guess we're gonna record one for this. Well, the cam tool doesn't fit for sure. I have no idea. Maybe it's a 98 thing, because 98 does have a lot of different things, but check out the cam. So this 96 to 04, they're supposed to have this right here. It's supposed to be flat, but they have a notch. I have no idea why. No clue on why it'd be like that. And then the holders in the back, they got one of the holders, but then on the other one it's empty. So if one of y'all could tell me why, maybe it is just a 98 thing and I'm just tripping. But we've done, what, 2 97 motors already? We've done a 99, we've done a 03 Cobra, 96 Cobra, and never had any issues with the holders. But since this is here, I can't.
The other shirts like that too.
Yeah, I can't clamp nothing down, so I don't even know what to hold it with. I can get vice grips and actually hold it, but that might be my best bet for right now. You know, instead of just wasting time, I might just find some vice grips and lock it down that way. Yeah, we'll see if I smack a valve right now. We'll see if I do anything bad. I ain't gonna do nothing bad. It's just,
let's make sure we record that smack of the valve though.
I didn't want to do it the cheap way. I wanted to do it the right way, but we don't have 4 vice grips.
Nope.
So yeah, that might just be it today. So I need to go find some vice grips and buy some vice grips so I can actually take that off. So, but until then, I have yet to find any cam tool online that get these. I was thinking that maybe it's a Mark 8 motor. I don't know, but I was smashing on some Cobras before. But who knows? Maybe it's just, I don't know. But this ain't working too good. But let's call it. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna go try to find something, see what Juan's messing up over there, and then we'll get to it, man. Devastating.
Just so y'all know, you can see that right there. It has like a bit of a square where the placeholders could actually, the actual tool that clamps onto both of these together so it won't rotate or move. These two at the top don't have anything.
And if you look at Isaac's cams, which are over here, they're the actual rectangular looking things down there, and it's on every single last one of them. But this is it's a 03 Cobra. It's not gonna make a difference. It should have been the same with 96 and 04, but maybe 98 is just different. I'm hoping.
That's why you don't buy Bright Atlantic Blue. It's f***ing trash.
That's why you don't buy used vehicles. Somebody already had this bright idea. That's vice grip marks. That's not even a tool mark.
So this motor has been opened?
It sure has. Somebody done something to it.
Imagine it's all forged.
Damn. That'd be crazy.
Nah, this thing was slow as hell.
Hey, look. It's slow as hell because it probably didn't have no boost to it. You know what I'm saying?
That's why Torrin was coined the name Slorin for a reason.
Look at this.
These are definitely from a Mark 8.
Nah, homie, this might be.
Actually, these might be from like a GT or a V6.
That's probably why I was faster than everybody.
It might be from a V6 probably.
That's probably why I was fast. That's probably
why did they call you Slorin if you were fast? They didn't call you fasting.
A lot of people hated on me because I was as fast as stock car.
They didn't call you fasting. They called you Slorin.
They called me Slorin, and there's one guy that only called me Slorin. That guy doesn't have a vehicle. So
who's that?
He was just hating on me. I ain't gonna say no names.
He don't have a vehicle.
He knows who I'm talking about. He act like he don't watch our videos, but he watches our videos every week.
Oh,
you know he's out here. He be hating. Hey, look, the closest people to you, you know what I'm saying, sometimes hate. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
it is what it is. That's just like.
It's okay. They probably drive a V6 anyway.
They probably do. You know.
Yeah.
But I was named that only because of that.
They probably go on our videos and leave a dislike, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't say too much on that. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah.
Since you can't find nothing to do.
You don't even know how to properly light a fire. That's how I know you from California.
Oh. I was gonna light the blanket on fire, Isaac.
Dude, that's my blanket. I'm supposed to sleep on it. Way to go.
Dang.
Who did that?
That's my blanket on me. I'm letting that shit dry. It's gonna smell like smoke.
Look, I'm just trying to have fun. That's it. These ain't illegal out here in California. Let's watch it fly. Oh! Dang! Oh!
You panicked.
Bam! Nah, just kidding.
Oh shit.
Back to it, baby. Time to start getting this apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some vice grips. I'm gonna lock it in place on each side so it doesn't twist at all, so we can get these timing chains off, or the tensioners off. It's one way to do it. I mean, you can have the tool and stuff, and you'll see how I do it. I'll show you once we actually get there. So everything is done. The chains need to come off and the tensioners need to go. One thing I didn't even notice, look at that leak from this valve cover gasket. Over time. Gotta clean that up. And on the backside, but I didn't even pay attention to this. Look at this. The seal back here is gone. Look at that. It's a little wet down there too. We gotta clean it. Look at the bolt. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, what I do, fold this up a million times. Fold it up, hi-yow, hi-yow. And then go with the flow. And now, make my sizing. Oh, this one's little. I shouldn't have got this one. But we'll go with it. No. Okay. Good dude. Ah! Dang, that crap hurt. Now it's locked in place. This side's ready to go. I'm gonna do the other side exactly like this. It's basically exactly like the tool. It's locking itself right here. It's clamping it and locking it up against the head so it doesn't twist at all. Now it's not gonna matter, even if it left teeth marks or anything like that. It's not gonna throw everything off and it's not gonna break. But you don't want to leave the teeth marks. It's the whole point of the paper towels. So let's get to the other side. Once we get the other side done, time to start taking all this off. Let's go, baby.
Y el otro día ya me llamaron, Saleen, yo creo, y del cáncer o tumor. A mi hermana, que es un año más grande que yo, ya le quitaron los senos. Y a la más grande, que es 2 o 3 años mayor que yo, también, apenas se lo detectaron. Wow. Y a mí, pues me dijeron que salí bien, nomás.
No. Come on. Here, let's go. There you go. Okay, stay right there. Nasty. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Where? This is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Hang on. All right, let me yank this up. Torque these down. These are more visible. I could wait on those, but these ones are
Torque it with those.
We had a small one, I thought.
Like the inch-pound one?
Yeah, the small one. So we are done, finished, knocked out. Look at this. Look at this. You got to take all that out. Look, you get to those. Boom. And on that side, boom. Hey, look. Be careful if you don't have a torque wrench, and make sure you have a small one, because if you have the big one, you might snap those bolts. Your boy was a little hectic on using this big one, but that's the only one we had, because small one's broken, or our 3/8 drive one is broken. But everything's good. I didn't take them out yet. I still got to get to the oil pump, so the sprockets are gonna have to come off again, and then we're gonna have to go from there. So we'll get that off tomorrow, get the oil pump out of there, and get this thing built right back so we can be on the street, baby. Hey, look. Hopefully it don't start making noises. Cause you know your boy done messed up a little bit, you know. I didn't even mess up. It just came loose. I ain't even gonna lie. It came loose like a little bit this way, but it didn't smack. So it just came loose. I just pushed it right here, wobbled it off, and then I changed that side. So that one didn't spin at all though. So if you have it this way, you're good. I'm pretty sure that this one will go this way too. If you ever do this or you have to do this, it's just I don't have the cam tools, and the cam tools don't fit on this at all. We're good to go. So I'm gonna call it a night. No, see you tomorrow. Look at this guy. He don't even know what he's doing to this thing. Why you, why you coming on my block hot like that, homie?
It is hot.
Huh? Oh man, he trying to be all loud and noisy and cool because he got a Saleen, huh? Ooh wee. Hey, oh, he done it. Oh, what's wrong there, buddy? Damn. Look at that stockness right there. Look at this. Hold on. Let me check these out. The little tiny brakes up front. That interior though, homie. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man. Oh man. Is that a... Oh, Dante. Look at those brakes. What's up with them brakes, homie? Oh yeah. This mother... Nice. This mother...
Look at the original model,
What? This man didn't let me drive this mother, homie. Oh damn, the dream whip. Oh damn. Let's go to LA, boy. What's up? Record this
that you
video.
wanted for years, your dream car, and
He trying to sell it to me.
Come on, buy this shit right now.
What's happening, baby? Hey, go ahead. Hey, look. Go ahead and park this mother. Damn, boy, look at this armrest pad, boy. Look at that. Ooh, nice and... Oh, yes. Oh, god dang. Selling this bad boy for $10,000. Man. Might have to sell the Cobra. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully he got his... Damn. $399. Woo-hoo. Hold on, get him. Oh, man. Only Mexican dude I know, huh? Only Hispanic, man. That's right. Show him who it is. But I'm about to be out, homie. I gotta stop because he gonna try to have me spend a whole bunch of money. Ooh. Just one last time. Before he goes. Ooh, all original.